A $2 million company just went under because its CEO couldn't find a contract in time. It was in a spreadsheet on a laptop. That got stolen. If your business runs on disconnected files and 40 browser tabs, you're gambling with the same fate. I just spent 30 days testing SmartSuite, the platform that's replacing Airtable for serious businesses, and what I found is kind of terrifying. Today at SaaS Trac, we're looking at SmartSuite, the operating system that promises to pull every department of your company into one high-speed mission control center. The magic starts with solutions. Think of these as dedicated containers for specific workflows, like your sales CRM, marketing, or HR. Inside, data is structured into tables, records, and fields. It's an intuitive architecture that ensures every department has its own space while still living under one roof, keeping your data clean and actually usable for once. Here is a drop everything moment: Power Search. By hitting CMD+K, you can find any record, file, or comment across your entire organization in milliseconds. No more, "Where did I save that?" panic. Combine that with the Communication Center, which lets you email clients directly from a record, and you've just killed the need to jump between your database and your inbox ever again. First impressions matter, and most databases look like accounting software from 1995. SmartSuite lets you brand your workspace from the top down. You can customize the color scheme and choose between icons or informative cards for your dashboard. But the real surprise? The AI image generator for your homepage banner. You can generate unique, professional art for your mission control in seconds, giving your team a workspace they actually enjoy looking at. Raw data is useless if you can't read it. SmartSuite's views are where you slice and dice your information. You can set up permanent shortcuts for active clients or high-priority tasks. It's not just a list, it's a living map of your company's progress that updates in real time. Here is where SmartSuite gets tactical. One table can be viewed from a dozen angles. Switch to a Kanban board to see your sales pipeline, a calendar for deadlines, or a chart view for KPI trends. The pro move? The shared view. You can send a read-only link to a client so they can track project updates without ever having to log into your system. It's total transparency with zero extra effort. Now let's talk about the DNA of your data: field types. SmartSuite has over 40 of them, but the SmartDoc is the showstopper. It's a full document editor living inside a database cell, supporting rich text and real-time collaboration. It's like having Google Docs and a high-end database combined into one field. For the power users, the formula engine is pure magic. It performs complex calculations across your fields automatically. Whether you're tracking time with the time tracking log or setting up dependencies between tasks, SmartSuite handles the math so you don't have to. It even includes specialized system fields that track the who, what, and when of every update, ensuring total accountability for your team. If your business data is a haystack, SmartSuite's Power Search is the world's most powerful magnet. This isn't just a basic find tool, it's a real-time indexing engine that scans every field, every attachment, and every conversation across your entire organization. By hitting CMD+K, you activate a global mission control that finds what you need in milliseconds. The genius here is in the tabs. SmartSuite categorizes results into records, comments, files, and members. Need to find a specific PDF? The Files tab shows you clickable previews immediately. Searching for a client's specific request? It scans the Communication Center, pulling up every incoming and outgoing email in which that phrase appears. For the power users, SmartSuite supports search operators. If a standard search is too broad, you can use double quotes for exact phrases or the minus sign to exclude irrelevant data. Best of all, it's built with total security in mind. Power Search strictly respects permissions. If a team member doesn't have access to a specific sensitive record, it simply won't appear in their search results. It's total transparency for those who need it, and total security for those who don't. After diving deep into the solutions, the AI-driven branding, the tactical views, and the computational brain of the formula engine, one thing is clear: SmartSuite isn't just a database. It's a unified operating system for your business. The pros. The one-tab reality. It eliminates the need to switch between Google Docs, your CRM, and your email inbox. Built-in AI. From generating homepage banners to summarizing data, the AI is a native feature, not a clunky add-on. Extreme customization. With over 40 field types and a document editor, SmartDoc, living inside your cells, you can literally build anything. The cons. The learning curve. Because it's so powerful, it can be a bit overwhelming for a brand new user on day one. If this review helped you find a way to silence the chaotic group chats, hit that like button and subscribe to SaaS Trac. We're on a mission to find the software that actually scales your life. Follow us on all our socials for daily business hacks and SaaS gems: Instagram, X, Facebook, LinkedIn. SmartSuite basically pays for itself the moment you stop losing hours to the spreadsheet shuffle and move your team into a single AI-powered mission control. Don't leave your productivity to chance. Grab the link below, set up your first solution, and let the power search